Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So this is an absolute mess as far as I'm concerned. Still stay far away from this, not interested in getting into this at all. We do have this inside bar here which ran away, and then I don't know what to call this because it's nothing. So big tail to the downside, big tail to the upside, sort of two hammers on hammer one, inverse hammer inside each other. But we could just call it a range, 2-day range. But yeah, it's a little bit of diversion from the US markets. US markets have had a fairly healthy pullback, and the DAX is still just hovering around here, doing nothing. If we start looking at the 3 hour, you'll see what I mean. So let's just put a level in here. So there's our upper end of the last 2 days, and there's our lower end of the last 2 days. So there's nothing happening here. I think the one thing that is interesting is that we've got a moving average crossover and we are below the 155. That's pretty much it on the 3 hour. If we come down to the hour, yeah, there's nothing that I see worth trading when it looks like that. Okay, we do have this gap to the downside. We are below the moving averages and it does look like we're rejecting. So maybe we get a delayed reaction here, and Europe decides to follow suit and get us a decent pullback. But at the moment, this is not an area I want to be buying. It's not an area I want to be selling either. I don't trust it. It can go either way. It's pretty much stuck in this range of last month. So it's almost, we're halfway through this month. So that's a month and a half of a range. That's not something I want to be putting my money into. So anyway, that's nice and short and sweet. Nothing here, moving right along, and we'll look at the S&P 500. Anyway, hope it helps somebody, and catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.